Imagine seamlessly embedding custom signature fields into your PandaDoc templates right from your application. That's precisely what we'll achieve today using the PandaDoc API. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to programmatically add signature fields as a sender to your PandaDoc templates. This unlocks a powerful way to automate your document workflows. First, you'll need to authenticate your API requests. This typically involves obtaining an API key from your PandaDoc account settings and including it in your request headers. Think of this as your digital handshake with PandaDoc. Next, we'll focus on constructing the API request to create or update a template. The core of this lies in specifying the fields parameter within your request body. This parameter is where you define all the elements of your template, including our signature fields. Within the fields array, you'll add an object for each element you want to include. For a signature field, you'll specify the type as signature. You'll also define crucial properties like the name of the field, which helps you identify it later, and its page and position on the document where you want it to appear. You can also assign a recipient to this signature field. This is essential for indicating who is expected to sign that specific field. You can link it to an existing recipient defined for the document or create a new one on the fly. By sending this carefully constructed API request, PandaDoc will update your template, embedding the signature field exactly where you've specified it. This means your documents will automatically be ready for signing without manual intervention. Leveraging the PandaDoc API to add signature fields to your templates empowers you to build dynamic signing experiences, custom-built automated document workflows, and significantly scale your document signing process. Get ready to supercharge your application.